Welcome to my channel. I am Susie by name. So going by my YouTube handle name, welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 6 best profitable plants to plant in this month of August and harvest November, like November, early November or towards the ending of November. Yes. And this plant, all you need is a good soil, like loamy soil. Yes. And if the soil is very rich, in fact, you don't need much fertilizer at all. Yes. And all these plants, all you need is just apply little of local fertilizer, that is natural fertilizer, just like the way I show you in my previous video, the best natural fertilizer for all plants. Yes, and for you to apply this natural fertilizer, make sure that the plant it has grown up to like a month. Yes, like a month, 21 days to like 30 days. Yes, you can apply it. Yes, and when you're applying, make sure you don't apply very close to the plant. So number one plant is peas. Peas. We call it green peas. Okay. So have you ever wondered when you buy peas tie inside nylon, and if you leave it for days, you discover that it has started sprouting out? Yes, that very well you can plant it as well. Or you go to where they sell these peas, buy the mature one, the one that is almost dry, and you plant the seed. So this is how it grows. This is how it grows. Yes. So another plant is spinach. We have different types of spinach. So this is one of the seed. And another color seed is this very one. It looks very tiny and black in color, like onion color, like purple like. Yes. So spinach, we add spinach to our salad or vegetables, we cook with it, like porridge, Now that tomatoes is expensive, we are looking for alternative. So we also use it to make stew, to make soup as well. And trust me, it is very, very healthy. So this is another species of spinach. We have different types. So spinach is very, very healthy. That's a lot of health benefit. So another plant to plant in this month of August is soybeans. Soybeans takes about 3 to 7 days to germinate, to sprout. So this is how it grows. Once it is matured, it dries up like this. And soybeans is very, very expensive. When I mean expensive, so it's very, very lucrative. So another plant is peanut or groundnut, whichever way you call it. Yes, just like peas and spinach, we have different species. We have different types of peanuts, different types of groundnut. Yes. In fact, I tried searching in the market whether I will see the other types so that I can show you all. So these were the ones I was able to see. Yes. So these plants, it takes us 3 months to grow and you start to harvest it. Yes. And peanut too is very, very expensive, very, very lucrative. It doesn't even require fertilizer at all. All you need is just a good soil. So another plant is beans. Beans is very rich in protein, and of course, here in my country, it is very, very expensive, very, very expensive. And we have different species also. We have about 15 different types of beans. we have about 15 different types of beans. Yes, but this was the one I was able to come across in the market. Yeah. So we have local ones too. So this is how it grows. It's spread. It's spread. So if you have land, you can plant them in your land, in your farm. But if you don't have, if it's a backyard garden, you can plant them inside bags. Yes, inside sack bag. I prefer sack bag to container planting. Yes, I know why, because sack, you can easily drain water. Okay, it is very, very good. But you can as well use container. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share if possible, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to support my channels. God bless you.